Do you want to learn how to automate using VMware vRealize Orchestrator? Then you're in the right place. I'm Brian Watrous, Principal Instructor with VMware Education. I've been teaching countless people all over the world how to use vRO ever since VMware acquired the technology back in 2007. I've taught customers, partners, and coworkers in the classroom, online, and in videos like these. Speaking of videos, this is a video series on vRO 8. I have an older series on vRO 7. That video series has been a popular way to learn vRO, and it still contains useful information. But there's a very noticeable difference between vRO 7 and vRO 8. In vRO 8, VMware replaced the older Java-based vRO client with the new HTML5-based vRO client. If you want to learn vRO 8, then obviously you should watch this video series. But you can supplement this series with the older vRO 7 videos while I recreate them for vRO 8. You're going to learn tons from this video series, but in addition to these videos, here's a few more resources. The first is VMware Education. We have multiple courses on vRO 8, and there's nothing that beats learning from an instructor in the classroom. In addition, VMware hands-on labs provide free multi-server lab environments in which to get hands-on experience with vRealize Orchestrator. If you're not familiar with these resources, I'll put some notes down in the YouTube description below. But enough already. Let's start learning about vRealize Orchestrator. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos.